Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn a Java program where we will count our vowel and consonant in a given string. So suppose we are having one string called name where we give any name like test 1 2 1 2 3. So in this tutorial we will count how many consonants and how many vowels we have in the entire string. Now without wasting our time, we can jump into our IDE and start coding there onwards. So like you already know, I have one Java folder, Java programming. In that we are going to create our package. So let's define the name of package com.string.programs. Now in this package we will create one Java class. The name of will be count vowels and consonants. After writing this, we will write one main method. In this main method, we are going to create two variables to count vowels and consonants. So for counting vowels, we will write count vowels and initialize it with the 0. Same like this, we will create one variable for the consonants. Here we will start with consonant. So variable name will be count consonant. Now what we will do, we also have to initialize something called a string where we have to find our consonants. So it will be predefined like something like this: tutorial for learning Java programs, right? After that we will put here semicolon. Now what we will do, we will find out the length of this string and put one loop, iterate and find the count of vowels also as well as the count of consonant. Let's see how that can be done. So here we will write our loop and we will start initializing our data something like this: int I is equals to 0, I should be less than length of string. After this we will do I plus plus to make the increment count. Now what can be done? So simple, it is very simple. Now first thing that we will do is we can make it fully to lower character so that we don't face any problem if it is a capital letter or lowercase or uppercase, right? So what we will do, str dot to lowercase, this will give us the lowercase of entire string. Now what we will do, simple, we are going to give something like count vowels and consonants, something like this, and after that we have to give camel case name. After camel case name we will simply put here the length and then I plus plus. After that what we are doing, if we will do, now this loop has started. Now we will put some condition: if the if the here we will length if the vowel and consonant carried I in the first index is equals to A. So like we know A is the vowel. Fine. Now after this what we can do? This is something we have wrote wrong. So here we will do like A. Now A is nothing but a vowel. Here we will see what we will do. We will increase the count of vowel like this and plus plus to increment after each iteration. Else if we will put another condition, else if another condition, this another condition is only for we are having to count for the consonants, not for the vowels. So what we will do, we will simply do, we will keep this, we will put here dot caret I is greater than or equals to A, and we are having another operator called and. Simply we will copy this from here. Actually we can copy till here and we will put after and condition. So what it will be, here we will simply say it should be less than or equals to Z. Now don't worry about these things, I will help you out how we can check it thoroughly, right? So here what we will do, we will do consonant counts. So how this program will work, let's see. In case we are having any consonant, any vowel matching with A in the entire string, then we can make the number of count increase by 1 and the number of count will be increased in the vowels. In case if something is not matching like A, E, I, O, U, then we can simply make it count in the consonant count, right? Now what we will do, let's see. So we are printing our values. So from here we will print our values like sys out system dot out dot println. So here what we will print, we will give our message the total number of vowels in given string R. Here we will put, and here we will put the count of vowels. Same like we will copy this and check it whether it is working for the consonant or not. So simply we will copy this from here, count constant, and we will put here. Now there is something we have to change, is consonants. Fine. Now we are done with this program. We will see and run. Let's run this program and we will see the count. Now see, we can see here that the total number of vowels in the strings are 6, where the total number of consonants are 36, and that is not correct. This one is not correct. Also this one is not correct, right? So what we can do, now we have to put one more condition. What condition that should be? That condition should be or. Here something like that we have to put for A, E, I, O, U. Also we have to put something like this, and after that again we have to put and there will be 5 conditions. So we will put it here like A, E, I, O and U, right? Here what is missing? If you will see, here something is missing, that is called OR operator. Now we will run this program again and I will show you out how it is working. Now can we run it as a main method? Yes, we can run it. See, now the count has been come to the 27 for the consonant and also it has come for the 15 for vowels, right? Now let's see, we are done with our program. Now I will tell you the another way of doing it also, and after that we will debug it, or else we can debug it here only. So what will happen? I will start this program as a debug, right? So let's wait, our program is starting, and after starting we can simply see, first we have to see here every time when we are making anything in the debug, we have to see everything here. So what will happen? So string first str was something like everything in the capital letter, right? Now what we did here vowel and consonants, where everything changed into lowercase of all the string variable. So see, here we can see the Tech Factory tutorial for learning into Java programs, right? So this has been changed into the lowercase. After when it comes to lowercase, we are checking everything in the lowercase only. In case it is uppercase, we have to check for the uppercase also. So this is the simplest way to make it into the lowercase with the help of two lowercase method of the string class. Right, now what we will do, we will jump over and check. So we are going step over with F8, right? So what it is telling, the first character is not a vowel. How? See, every condition is false here. See, correct? So see, first character itself is not vowel. Now E is a vowel here, right? So if the first character is not vowel here, it will go to this and increase count by 1. Now let's jump more, right? So we will jump more. So here the second condition will be correct and count consonant will be increased by 1 time, by 1. So see, we have got now the second is absolutely perfect. So here it is saying A is false where E is true. Now it will go inside this only. So let's see, and it will give a count of count vowel. Now the total number of count we have in the vowel is like 1. If you will see here in the console, take it more close, so we will see it, count vowel 1, count consonant 1, right? Now we can see more further, and after that we will skip the breakpoint and we will show you. So as soon as this loop is iterating, we can see the total number of count in vowel and consonant. Let's skip this breakpoint. How we can skip? We will put here and simply run. So total number of variable will come, total number of vowel will come like 15 and total number of consonant are 27 in the entire string. Now fine. Now we have another method that is provided by our character class that can be done with very simple step. Means if condition will be same in this case, also we can check else if condition with something else. So what we can do, we can do like this. We will remove it and we will put something. There is one class called characters is later, and then we will pass what we will pass, we will pass our string dot character at I. So we will pass this. right? Now it will count everything. It should come 27 after running it and 15 for the vowel. Now let's run this program normal. See, the output here is same like it was earlier in our method. So this was the another way of doing the program. I hope you guys will understand everything. In case you are having any doubt, you can comment it out. And bye for the day. And I don't think we need to debug this also. In case it is required, you can do it debugging by putting it breakout here and starting our program from here as a debug, right? So we are done for the day. Bye bye.